It's all just a simple thing. You just need a cardboard and cut it into a circular piece. This way, and now we will stick this this circular piece on this on gearbox. But before that, we will fix this gearbox on this platform. Here we have fixed them all, and here is our background, the lighting, the camera, and the all arrangements here. And as you can see, it spins over this there, and it's recorded over here this way. And now the final work of video editing. I use Filmora Go to edit my videos. It takes a while, and here I already selected some of the videos. Here I use the effects, the text, and all kind of editings here. And here it ends. Thanks for watching, and ensure to subscribe to my channel. See you in next video.